In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect DocuSign to OneDrive, which is an easy integration that can be completed in just about 5 minutes. Let's get started by first navigating to the DocuSign website. This is where we'll begin the process of integrating these two powerful platforms. DocuSign is well known as a leader in electronic signatures and intelligent agreement management, making it a popular choice for businesses and individuals alike. Once you're on the DocuSign homepage, the next step is to log in. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to create one, but for our purposes today, we'll assume you already have your login credentials handy. Go ahead and click on the login button. After you've successfully logged into your account, you want to make sure you're taken to the DocuSign Home dashboard. This is essentially your control center where you have access to all the tools and features DocuSign has to offer. Next, from the DocuSign homepage, you'll need to locate and click on the Admin tab. The Admin section provides you with the necessary administrative options that you need to set up integrations such as this one. Having access to the right administrative privileges is key, so if you're not seeing the Admin option, make sure you have the necessary rights or consult with your administrator. Once in the admin area, look for and click on the Connect option. The Connect feature is crucial as it is the gateway to managing integrations with other applications like OneDrive. Now within the Connect interface, you'll see an Add Configuration option. Click on this to start the process of adding a new integration. You're not too far from completing this setup. In the Add Configuration menu, you'll find OneDrive as an option. Go ahead and click on OneDrive. This step is essential in telling DocuSign that you want to connect to this specific application. Depending on your permissions and existing configurations, you might need to perform some additional steps, such as authentication, to ensure your accounts can sync smoothly. Finally, you'll be prompted with the Go to Agreement Actions option. Clicking here allows you to define what you want to happen once your DocuSign documents are completed and stored in OneDrive. This can include organizing your documents for easy retrieval or setting automated actions for different types of agreements. And there you have it. In a few short steps, you've successfully connected DocuSign to OneDrive. This integration not only helps in managing your documents more effectively, but also ensures they are stored securely and are easily accessible. With your DocuSign documents now seamlessly syncing to OneDrive, you'll be well equipped to enhance your workflow efficiency. Thank you for following along, and enjoy the seamless integration of your DocuSign and OneDrive accounts.